With this story, you are going to improve your fluency, but you need to answer faster than me, okay? Let's start. This is the title, el título. So, it's going to be una, okay? Do you know how to say life? It's going to be vida, okay? So, una vida new, remember the adjective after the noun, una vida nueva. And in this case, for is going to be para, okay? So, una vida nueva para María. And remember, this name in Spanish is going to have an accent, okay? All the words could finish with ia. The emphasis is here and they have an accent. Okay, so una vida nueva para María. You are going to improve your fluency and we are going to practice two tenses in this story. Normally, my students get confused about these two tenses, so we are going to fix this problem right now. So you're going to say María, of course, María, and do you know this tense? The verb to be and ing is going to be. We are going to use always the verb estar in this tense. It's called presente continuo. María está, and do you know this verb? Remember, verbs are everything in Spanish, okay? So, cambiar, it's the verb, so you're going to say está cambiando, okay? Cambiando. So, María está cambiando her life, su vida. Okay. This is the good about the stories. We are going to repeat certain vocabulary, so you will remember this. After we finish these sentences, I will tell the story. Okay, so be focused, please. I want the best for you. I really want you to learn Spanish. So, continuemos con la oración número 2. Okay. Be careful here. Ella. Okay. What is this tense? When we have this verb, it's not going to be tener. Okay. This is called in English, you call this present perfect. Okay. But in Spanish, we call them pretérito perfecto. So we are going to use here the verb haber. Okay. Very important verb. Ella ha. This is the conjugation. Ella ha, decide, decidir, but you need to conjugate this. Ella ha decidido. Okay, decidido. Ella ha decidido to start. You're going to say empezar o comenzar. It's the same. So, ella ha decidido empezar. And do you know this? De nuevo. Okay, de nuevo. You could say also otra vez. Okay, it's the same. Remember, I can't put all the synonyms here, but de nuevo, again, it's the same like otra vez. So, ella ha decidido empezar de nuevo. Okay, so this is the grammar. For instance, if you say, I have decided, you're going to say, yo he decidido. Muy bien. We're going to conjugate using other pronouns from time to time, okay? Vamos. Continuemos con nuestra oración número 3. Remember to answer faster than me. That's the key. So we're going to say here, ella. Okay, this is a very interesting verb. It's a reflexive verb. So you're going to say, ella se. And do you know how to say this? In any case, I will put all the conjugations here. Okay, so ella se despierta. Okay, to wake up es despertarse, a reflexive verb. Ella se despierta early. Do you know this word? Temprano. Also, I want you to participate on this, okay? And so I have a question for you. ¿A qué hora te despiertas normalmente? O ¿a qué hora te despiertas generalmente? You can write that on the comments below and try to speak in Spanish even if you make mistakes. I will correct your mistakes if you want. So, ella se despierta temprano every day. You could say you already know this for sure if you have been following my stories. Cada día o todos los días. Es lo mismo. Muy bien. Vamos ahora con nuestra oración número 4. Okay. Do you know this verb? Normally it's going to be parar, but in this case we are going to use ella. You already know this when we have this combination. Otherwise I will create a video about this grammar also. Many videos actually. Ella ha. In this case, when you stop doing something, you could say dejar. Ella ha dejado. And with this verb, when we have another verb after dejar, normally we are going to put this preposition. So, ella ha dejado de, and we don't conjugate the second verb in Spanish, right? So, ella ha dejado de comer. Okay, do you know this word? I like junk food, but it's not good. It's not healthy. No es saludable. Ella ha dejado de comer comida. And we are going to say here, comida chatarra. Or you could say also comida basura. So, ella ha dejado de comer comida chatarra. And if we conjugate this using yo, you could say yo he dejado de comer. Y tú has. Continuemos con nuestra oración número 5. Again here. Ella. Many of you have asked me if it's necessary to use this. It's not necessary, but it's okay if you use it. I use this sometimes. You won't be more fluent if you use this or not. Ella está. Presente continuo, right? Ella está cooking, cocinando meals. Meals is the same like food. Okay, so we are going to say comidas, meals, comidas saludables. Okay, so she's cooking healthy meals. It's going to be ella está cocinando comidas saludables. You could say also comidas sanas. Ok, muy bien. Ella está cocinando comidas saludables. Ok, o sanas. Muy bien. Continuemos con nuestra oración número 6. As you can see, Maria, she's changing a lot. Ella está cambiando mucho. Ella, okay. This could be hard. To join in this context is going to be reflexive. So we are not going to say just unir. It's going to be unirse because it's reflexive. So ella se, remember this, is going to be ella se ha. Okay, and in this case it's going to be unido. Ella se ha unido. In this case we are going to say like to a gym. Okay, so a un, okay, a un gym is going to be, you know, in Spanish also we say gym sometimes, so but the word it's gimnasio. Okay, this is the proper word, la palabra correcta. Ella se ha unido a un gimnasio near, remember this please, cerca de. All of that is cerca de. The same happens with, the same with before, antes de, after, después de. Okay, so be careful with these prepositions. Cerca de her house is going to be su casa. So, muy bien, María. Ella se ha unido a un gimnasio cerca de su casa. Excelente. Es muy saludable ir al gimnasio. Ok, vamos a la oración número 7. Ok, to work out or to exercise, do you know this verb? It's going to be hacer ejercicio. Okay, for some reason many students, they don't know this verb, but now you know this. Ella, or you could say also ejercitándose, but I would say this is easier. Ella está, okay, this is the present, the other present, presente continuo. Ella está, and this is a haciendo, okay. Ella está haciendo ejercicio. This is the whole verb, ejercicio. Okay, and this part, this is very important. You need to know this. Like 3 times a week, once a day. Ella está haciendo ejercicio 3 times a week. It's going to be 3 veces. Okay, 3 times, 2 times is going to be 2 veces, 3 veces. And then you're going to say a week, a la semana. You just need to memorize this, okay? So you have to say, ella está haciendo ejercicio 3 veces a la semana. Muy bien. Continuemos con nuestra oración número 8. Acá vamos a ocupar el pretérito perfecto. Ella ha, do you know how to say to lose? This is the verb, okay, perder. And to win es ganar. So, ella ha perdido. Okay, okay, I forgot something here. We're going to say ella ya. Okay, so ella ya ha perdido. So, ella ya ha perdido. So, ella ya ha perdido 5, right? 5, and this is the same word in Spanish. So, ella ya ha perdido 5 kilos. She has lost 5 kilos already. It's going to be like that. But also you could say, to be honest, you could say, ella ha perdido 5 kilos ya. But if you put ya here, it sounds more natural. Okay, continuemos. Oración número 9. Here we have a reflexive verb. So, ella se, right? The reflexive part is going to be se. Ella se is, in this case, is going to be está, right? And do you know this verb? It's going to be sentirse. So, but it's irregular, so be careful. Ella se está sintiendo. Okay. Ella se está sintiendo stronger and happier. Okay, in Spanish, to make this comparative, el comparativo, we are going to use más. So, ella se está sintiendo más fuerte. I could say más fuerte and right? Y más feliz. So, María se está sintiendo más fuerte y más feliz. She's feeling stronger and happier. Okay, that's why you need to work out also, but not just your body, your mind also. If you learn Spanish, you are working out, let's say, your brain also. Vamos con nuestra oración número 10.